Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that gives the relationship between angles and the sides of a triangle. And here we deal with right angle triangle. So let us draw a right angle triangle with vertices A, B and C. Let the angle at C be theta. So the angle at B is 90 degrees. Side opposite to the angle theta, that is AB. So we write as opposite side, and the side adjacent to the theta is BC. And we know that any side opposite to the 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse. In any triangle, for a given angle theta, which we keep as fixed, we can see that as we increase the height or decrease the height, the ratio of the height to the corresponding hypotenuse will always be constant for a constant angle theta. Similarly, the ratio of the adjacent side to the corresponding hypotenuse as the height is increased will also be constant for a fixed angle theta. So the opposite side divided by hypotenuse, this ratio, that we call as the sine of the angle theta. So this can be written as AB by AC. Similarly, the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse, what we found as constant, that can be written as cosine theta, or in short form as cos theta. So this is BC by AC. Let us take the ratio of opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. So this we name as tangent theta, or in short form as tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, AB by BC. We can see that AC is common to both sine theta and cosine theta. So what happens if we divide sine theta by cosine theta? AC gets cancelled and we get AB by BC, which is nothing but tan of theta, tan theta. So we can write tan theta as sine theta divided by cos theta. So it's the ratio of sine theta to cos theta. So we have seen that sine theta is AB by AC, cos theta is BC by AC, and tan theta is AB by AC. From these three relations, we get three more relations. One is cosecant theta or cosec theta, which is the reciprocal of sine theta, that is AC by AB. Then we have secant theta or sec theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. It is AC by BC. And cot theta or cotangent theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. There are two methods to find cosine values from only sine values. So we have two angles theta and 90, and let us put another angle alpha at vertex A. We know that in any triangle, the sum of angles will always be equal to 180 degrees. Then what is alpha? Alpha is 180 minus 90 minus theta. Just for the sake of solving, let us turn this triangle by 90 degrees. So theta has gone up and alpha is down. So what is sine alpha? Sine, we know that sine of any angle is opposite side by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. So let us put alpha as 90 minus theta. That is BC by AC. Then what is BC by AC? That is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is cos of angle theta, cos theta. So now we have got the relation sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this gives the connection between the relationship between sine theta and cos theta. So what does this tell us? If we have table of all sine values from 0 to 90 or 0 to 180, then we can find the corresponding cos theta values. Suppose theta is 30, then cos 30 will be sine 90 minus 30, that is sine 60. Similarly, we can find the sine values if we have only the cos values. Just the converse of that. Sine theta is cos of 90 minus theta. Now coming to the second method of finding cosine values from sine values. This is using the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem tells that the square of the sides of a right angle triangle will be equal to the sum of will be equal to the square of the hypotenuse, that is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now divide both sides by AC square. So AC square by AC square, that is 1. So this we can write as AB by AC whole square, BC by AC whole square, that is equal to 1. And what is AB by AC? It is opposite by hypotenuse, sin theta. So since square is there, we write as sin square theta. And BC by AC is cos theta, so it becomes cos square theta. So this gives an important relationship, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So knowing 1, we can find the other one. Cos theta can be written as square root of 1 minus sin square theta, or sin theta is square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So now we are writing all the 6 relationship in terms of only sin theta. Knowing these 3 relations, we can find cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, because they are the reciprocals of these 3.